comfortable. Dreams are
From the most awarded brand in the industry comes the new Kenmore Elite 24 cubic foot counter depth grab-and-go refrigerator. The convenient Simple Select dispenser with easy-to-use controls delivers clean, filtered refreshment. Choose cubed or crushed ice or water, all at the simple touch of a finger. The counter depth design stands flush with your countertop for a sleek, built-in look. Yet it still offers all the same features and interior capacity you need to keep your foods fresh and organized. The grab-and-go door is a door within a door that with the press of a button provides quick, easy access to your favorite beverages and snacks. There are plenty of places to keep all your go-to foods handy and organized. The convenient outer door bins are great for storing butter, cheese, and condiments. Since you don't have to open the full door, it helps reduce cold air loss from the main compartment. Use the inner grab-and-go door for easy access to favorite foods, or when it's time to reload snacks, drinks, and more. The advanced NSF-certified water filter system reduces chlorine taste and odor, impurities like mercury, and over 99% of lead for cleaner, fresher water and ice. The top shelf is all yours with the slim indoor ice maker. It allows 100% use of the top shelf, plus extra storage in the door. Say goodbye to wilted produce with the Kenmore exclusive airtight crisper. Even after 7 days, lettuce is still crisp. A unique gasket and dimpled surface locks in moisture to keep veggies fresh. The full-width pantry drawer with digital temperature controls helps keep food fresh and at the perfect temperature. It features 3 precise digital temperature settings, one for produce, one for deli, and one for meat. The Clean Flow air filter system is 15 times more effective than baking soda at reducing odors. It circulates clean, filtered air to every section for great-tasting meats, fish, and produce. Its 3-tiered storage includes an extra deep bin and 2 pull-out drawers to make organizing your foods a breeze. Available in stylish stainless steel, it will fit beautifully in any kitchen design. Kenmore, the most awarded brand in the industry.